Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to put your website under construction on Wix in just a few quick steps. Let's get straight into it. Head to wix.com, log in, find your site, and click Edit Site next to it. The Wix editor opens with your website canvas. Click Pages and Menu in the left sidebar. This opens a panel showing all your site pages. You'll see a button to add a new page. It might say Add Menu Item or Add Page. Click it. A menu pops up with page type options. Click New Page, then select Landing Page from the category menu on the left. Landing page templates appear, including options designed for coming soon and under construction pages. Browse through them, hover over the one you like, and click Add Page. A dialog box asks you to name the page. Type something like Coming Soon or Under Construction. Click Done. The page now appears in your Pages list and opens in the editor. In the Pages and Menu panel, click the three-dot icon next to your new page. Then select Settings. A panel opens with multiple tabs. Click the Layouts tab, then select No Header and Footer. This removes navigation and footer elements, so visitors focus on the under construction message. Click the Page Info tab. You'll see an option that says, Make this your homepage with a Set button next to it. Click Set. Your under construction page is now set as the homepage. Now customize the template. Click directly on the page canvas to edit the text, images, colors, and any other elements. Most templates include a countdown, timer, email subscription form, and social media links. Click any element to select and edit it. When you're happy with how it looks, click Publish in the top right corner. A progress indicator appears, then a confirmation that your site is live. Your under construction page is now the homepage visitors will see. After publishing, open a private browser window and visit your live site URL to confirm the under construction page is displaying correctly. While the under construction page is live, you can still continue editing your other pages in the editor. They'll stay hidden from visitors. When you're ready to launch your full site, just go back into Pages and Menu settings and set your original homepage back as the homepage, then republish. You can delete or hide the under construction page at that point. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.